What's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Glenn and this is Firstborn Athletics. So as a follow-up to last week's video, today we have another natural remedy for you. Today it's going to be a homemade natural remedy cough syrup, and it just has 3 ingredients. So let's do a rundown of those 3 ingredients. Alright guys, so our first ingredient is onion. Onion is antimicrobial and it's the powerhouse of this particular recipe. Next we have lemon. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C and it's great for the immune system. And finally we have honey, which helps to relax the cough reflex and it soothes your throat.
Hey guys, we're back again, like Glenn said, with another natural remedy. We're gonna start with the onion. I'm just gonna cut the onion in half. Use half an onion. Here you see that I'm using a yellow onion. Cut it in half, peel the outside. And we're gonna slice it up a little bit. We don't gotta go too crazy because what we want it to do is sweat out the juices. And we're gonna put that in a bowl. Next, we have a lemon. We'll take half a yellow lemon, squeeze it on top, as much as you can. And this is just so good on so many levels. All that out there. Doesn't matter, the pits, the pulp, as much as you can. And then we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of honey. We're gonna let it mix, gonna let it sit. And the whole point is for the onion to sweat. You're gonna let the onion sweat. You could leave this outside, doesn't need to go in the refrigerator. Leave it out. You can have this for about a week. Just cover it, maybe with another plate or with some plastic wrap. And what you're going to do is you're literally going to put your spoon in and start taking the juices. You can start taking this maybe in about 20 minutes once it sweats a little bit. Start taking those juices. Now, because there are no chemicals in here, you could take this several times a day. You don't have to worry about, once every 4 hours or anything like that. And that is going to soothe that throat, help you with that cough, and just helps you feel so much better.
Alright guys, so that's it. Simple and easy, 3 ingredient recipe. I'm not big on taking medicine. I prefer to avoid the chemicals. I am a big believer in food as a healer of the body. Thank you as always for rolling with us. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we're gonna see you guys on the next one.